What happens when two powerful nations stand on the edge of war and thousands of kilometers away, India's economy, India's energy, India's security, and India's diplomacy are suddenly at stake? Is this crisis a danger for India or a hidden opportunity? Hello friends, I am Alok Oak and you are watching You Guessed Well. Let's decode this story. In the last few weeks, the world has been watching the dangerous escalation in West Asia. After military strikes involving the United States and its allies against Iranian targets, Iran retaliated and responded with missiles and drone attacks across the region. The conflict has now begun affecting the shipping routes, oils, supplies, and the global trade. One of the biggest flashpoints in this crisis is the Strait of Hormuz. And why is it important? Because nearly 1/5 of world's oil passes through this narrow waterway, and here is where India becomes the part of the story. Why this war matters to India? India nearly exports 90% of its crude oil, and a large portion of it comes through Middle East. So, if tension escalates and oil routes are disrupted, oil price rises, inflation increases, and transport and manufacturing costs go up. Even Indian households may feel the impact through petrol, LPG, and electric prices. But this situation raises an important question. The question is, if the war happens thousands of kilometers away, should India take sides? Or should India maintain strategic neutrality and protect its national interests first? Think about it. India today shares relationship with all sides of the conflict, a strong strategic partnership with the United States, historical, civilizational, and energy ties with Iran, close cooperation with Israel, and remember, a massive Indian diaspora across the Gulf countries. And this means India cannot afford to take extreme positions. Instead, India is doing something really important, and India is doing strategic balancing. In fact, Iran has even reassured that Indian ships would be allowed a safe passage through the Strait of Hormuz, highlighting India's diplomatic goodwill. This shows something crucial. India today is not just a regional power. India is becoming a trusted global player. Hidden opportunities for India? Yes, but every crisis creates risk, but it also creates opportunities. And here are three possible strategic advantages for India. One, India's diplomatic value increases. When global tension rises, countries that can talk to all the sides become extremely valuable. India today is one of the few nations with relationship across the entire West Asian region. That increases India's global diplomatic influence. Second, energy diversification push. This crisis forces India to accelerate renewable energy, strategic oil reserves, and partnerships and energy partnerships with Russia, Africa, and Latin America. In the long run, this could make India less dependent on any region. Third, manufacturing and supply chain shift. Global companies hate uncertainties. When war zone disrupts trade routes, companies start looking for stable manufacturing hubs, and India could benefit from this shift. But there are risks too. We must be realistic. Risks are serious. Oil prices could spike, shipping routes may become dangerous, inflation could increase, and global markets may become unstable. Some experts even warn that prolonged conflict could disrupt fertilizer supply and food production globally. and that could affect developing countries the most. But now I want to ask something. Do you think India should A. stay neutral and focus only on national interest? B. Support democratic allies like the US? Or C. Act as a mediator for peace? Tell me your opinion in the comment section. And if you like such deep geopolitical analysis, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and families, because understanding global events is no longer optional, it's essential. And the bigger picture to see is history shows something interesting always. Whenever global power equation shifts, new power emerges. The First World War changed Europe, Cold War reshaped global alliance, and today's geopolitical conflicts may be shaping the next global order. And the real question here is, will India simply react to these events, or will India shape the future global balance? Because in geopolitics, wars are not just fought with missiles. They are fought with strategy, diplomacy, and patience. And the nation that understands this best often wins without firing a single bullet shot. Jai Hind.